Yeah, so the other day I finished up a block I've been cutting. I guess I got about 100 acres ahead of them. It was a big unit. And so springtime's coming. So I spent quite a bit of time digging out the center cavity. And I brought up a fire trailer with 500 gallons of water and rented a steam cleaner from Landon Northwest. It's a really nice, nice unit. It had a 250-gallon tank on it. And so I spent, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours steam cleaning the LX870. I like to do that pretty regularly. It actually was quite dirty, and always good to keep it clean prior to summer. And I'd had a hose fail. It was on the attachment circuit there from the pump to the attachment manifold valve, and I lost probably 30 gallons of oil inside. So that made a mess, and it was kind of eating at me. So anyhow, I like to do this regularly. I like it when the machine's dusty, and it seemed like a video we could put out and not get in a pickle. So anyhow, I just wanted to show you guys what she looks like. It came out pretty well. I do this as regularly as I can. I generally try to fit it in at the shop, but that just wasn't working. So did it in the brush, and that came out really well. I think I'm up to about 7,600 hours on it, and nice to keep it looking sharp. And like I said, I like to have it dusty inside, and that's how it'll be for the summer. So yeah, I think one of the things, the key to doing a good, successful job of steam cleaning is do a lot of work before, digging everything out, and dropping the guards. One trick I use is I pack extra 16 millimeter bolts, and the big guards I just put long bolts in and drop them down so I don't have to put them up by myself. And I use naphtha as a preliminary cleaner, and a little bit of degreaser. I try to stay away from that, but then a lot of simple green and a good steam cleaner, so it worked good. This steam cleaner, one of the things I really liked about it, on the wand it had a low pressure mode, and with the amount of sensitive electronics, that's a really good thing. You can clean everything, but you aren't blowing high pressure on the electronics, which can ruin them. So that's a trick that worked well. So anyhow, hope you guys are doing good, and just wanted to give you a view of Clean Buncher, and yeah, put another video out for you. So as always, we appreciate the support. Thanks for watching.